Welcome back to another job lead video. Today I have for you 7 companies that are hiring remote work from home that do not require you to be on the phone. Now I know these videos can get kind of long, so let's just dive on in and get straight to it. So first up we have, for my UK viewers, the company Airfinity, and they are hiring a data entry specialist. Now, it says they are seeking a data entry specialist to join their London-based team, and they should be ambitious and hardworking graduate who loves data. You'll be responsible for accurately and efficiently doing data research and entry while being a core part of their data team. Some of the responsibilities will be extracting data from giving web sources and PDF documents, researching various different data sources to identify required data, entering data into their database, updating and maintaining database records, cross-checking information for accuracy and working with the team to meet your deadlines, escalating questions to your team lead when necessary, and using research methods to fulfill the scope of the data requirements. Now, this position does require a bachelor level degree from a top tier university, and they ideally would like a life sciences degree. Strong numerical, analytical, and Excel skills are required. Experience in web research and data entry, and experience with similar data entry roles. They do offer competitive salary, a pension plan, and the opportunity to advance your career. Next up is a virtual assistant position for my US-based viewers, and this is a 1099 contract position with Assist Pro. Assist Pro is a virtual assistant services company that primary business is matching clients who need support with a compatible assistant. So they're like the third party go-between. And so they are looking for people who can do email management, emailing on a client's behalf, sorting and filing emails, flagging important emails, creating new folders. They're looking for someone who can manage calendars, their clients' calendars, scheduling, editing calendar events, having a good understanding of how calendar invite works across multiple time zones, quarterly reporting, someone who can also do general administrative tasks such as updating spreadsheets and keeping contact lists updated, someone who can do personal tasks like scheduling doctor's appointments, adding family activities to their calendar, helping plan family vacations, and someone who can task management, so they can do travel schedule, customer service, just anything that their client needs. And so they need someone who is confident and professional and has a self-motivated, driven attitude, believes in investing in the client relationship, and sees challenges as an opportunity for growth. They do ask that you have 1 year of direct administrative experience, but it says not required. So technically, no experience is required for this. Unfortunately, they do not accept candidates that are in California, New York, New Jersey, Montana, or Pennsylvania. Now, if you do apply to this position, the link to the website will be down below, but under the virtual assistant heading, you will need to click the click to learn more button to open up the description, and then hit the apply now button. Feel free to browse this website, as they are also hiring a recruitment specialist and a finance coordinator if those are something you may be interested in. Next up is for my US-based folks who are looking for part-time work. The Avenue is hiring a part-time social media assistant. And so they say, as part of a social media and marketing assistant, you will have the opportunity for individuals seeking a pivot to growing a startup and the ability to maintain full-time or part-time roles in freelance jobs. So you will be required to work weeknights and weekends to help drive sales to the website. The role will work directly with the marketing team and report to the director. Talent, skill sets, and work ethic will be assessed. You will work anywhere from 80 to 20 hours a week, and it can be done entirely remote. So the requirements are that the social media assistant be responsible for supporting the weeknight and weekend social media story posting to drive sales for their website and respond to direct messages through the messenger on social media sites. The assistants are responsible for working knowledge of the avenue, brand, products, and posting. And so they're seeking candidates for posting 1 to 2 hours a night and then working a total of 10 to 12 hours. They would like the individual to work 8 to 10 p. Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday, and periodically the weekends, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m., somewhere in that time frame on Saturday and Sunday. Your direct responsibilities will be creating unique story slides for weeknight and weekend story posts, contribute content ideas, contribute recurring blog posts, assist in organizing assets and documentation, support customer care with their direct messages, and engage on social media with comments, likes, etc. And so requirements are that you do know how to work social media and you're up to date on some of the new social media trends. You have experience with Canva, Photoshop, or Instagram. Let me just tell you, I use Canva to design my thumbnails for this YouTube channel because I am not a design person whatsoever, and it is very, very easy to learn and use. Seeking someone with a creative mindset, someone who has a strong interest in fashion or retail or storytelling, and strong attention to detail, and of course be available on weeknights. So the compensation for this role is dependent on your experience level, and it says you will also get an employee discount if you want to buy any of their products, and they are looking to onboard candidates to start ASAP. Moving right along, this is again for my United States viewers. We have a data entry clerk for the company Climatech. Now, Climatech is looking for a data entry clerk to type information into their database from paper documents. So the purest form of data entry, you look at the documents and you type into the system what you see on the documents. The ideal candidate will be computer savvy and a fast typer, and keep their eye out for detail. Some of the responsibilities of the job are to transfer data from paper formats to computer files, type the data directly from customers, create spreadsheets with large numbers and figures without mistakes, verify data to its source documents, update existing data, retrieve data from databases, perform regular backups so that you don't lose the data, and then sort and organize the paperwork after entering the data. It does require a high school diploma or equivalent, great attention to detail, good English, both written and oral communication, customer service skills, basic understanding of databases, and working knowledge of office equipment. You also need to be a fast typer, and if you have proven experience at a data entry clerk. They do offer a benefit package, including health insurance, retirement plans, life insurance, paid time off, all that normal stuff. If HR is your thing, then Pride Health is hiring a remote HR assistant. This is a contract role, and so it is for 3 months with the possibility of extension. The schedule would be Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, ending the workday no earlier than 4 p.m., so it is full-time during the day. Now, the responsibilities for an HR assistant is to perform and evaluate background checks and coordinate travel and reimbursement. So you're helping with their hiring process by doing the background checks on people they are interested in hiring. You're creating offer letters and new hire paperwork and scheduling pre-employment physicals and drug screens for people that they're trying to hire. You're ensuring that their new hires are provided clear directions on a variety of tasks in which they need to complete for hire. And you will engage with the new hires and take action to troubleshoot any problems that they have. As far as education and experience, it says it requires successful completion of a 1 or 2 year degree, diploma in an administrative assistant secretarial field, or minimum of 2 years experience in a secretarial administrative role. These next two positions I've kind of grouped together because they both go with social media, and they are for my people looking for part-time work. There seems to be a lot of part-time social media manager positions going on right now, but the company Yelp, which is the online review site that people go and review restaurants and different places that they've been, is looking for a part-time social media specialist for their growing social media team. They want someone to handle day-to-day management to help Yelp's corporate social media presence across Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and potential new social media channels that they start. It's a unique opportunity to grow with the social media team, and so they're looking for someone long-term to work up to 30 hours a week and support their efforts for social media. And so one thing to note, it says candidates must be vaccinated against COVID-19 to qualify. So that is a personal decision you will have to make for yourself. But as far as what you will be doing, you will manage the Yelp content calendar for Instagram, Twitter, and potentially new channels, including copywriting and visual asset creation via Canva again, or video curation and editing. You will handle day-to-day posting of content and social community interactions and conversations on the Yelp for Business Instagram and Twitter handles. You will assist in growing their YouTube channel, which sounds fun. You will utilize social listings and tools to enhance their social media strategy. And of course, you will help execute their paid campaigns. And so they're looking for someone who has a bachelor degree in journalism, communication, or English, or relevant professional experience. So you do not have to have a degree if you have enough experience. 3 years of direct hands-on experience supporting and growing social media sites. If you have video experience with channels such as Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok is a big one. Everyone is on TikTok. Y'all should have video experience with TikTok. You have experience with social media copywriting and managing social media campaigns. So this next one I have grouped in with that one. So I guess this is 8 jobs instead of 7. But this is for another part-time social media manager for the company Muckrock. And so the Muckrock Foundation is seeking a part-time, around 3 or 4 hours a week, social media manager to help highlight their ongoing work, primarily via their existing social media accounts on Twitter and Facebook. They want someone who is able to gain a sense of the Muckrock style and tone, as well as the ability to identify and build interesting angles. Key responsibilities will be reviewing potential material to highlight the Muckrock team, including links to stories, trainings, resources, site news, updates. They want you to be able to schedule out regular social media updates via Buffer and review, proofread, and editing completed work, and you help identify new opportunities. It says this role is expected to take 3 to 4 hours a week, and they are paying $20 per hour for compensation to start at, so it can go up from there, but they do not offer any benefits. And last but not least, this is again for my US viewers, we have the company Stars and Stripes Management System hiring a virtual assistant. Now this one does come with a tiny bit of phone work, but the majority of the job is non-phone based, so I did include it last. The responsibilities for the virtual assistant is literally answering a few phone calls, but mostly responding to emails, scheduling meetings with clients, managing travel plans for their employees, issuing invoices to clients, and updating the company website and social media accounts. So it does require a high school diploma or equivalent, prior experience as an administrative assistant, excellent verbal and written communication skills, and be proficient in Microsoft Office, which is Word, Excel, all the good things, and be organized. So this is really an entry-level position. They don't have much as far as requirements, but unfortunately they do not state what the pay is. All right, that was a lot. Thank you so much if you have stuck with me to this point. Don't forget that I do post fresh job leads daily, so if you are not already subscribed, you might want to subscribe so you get notified every time I post a new video. Also, if there's any wishes that you have of specific things you're looking for, leave them down in the comments. I am always reading the comments and trying to search for the perfect position for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.